What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. On this video, I want to cover a few things. One is make sure that you're seeing the overall volume of the crypto or the Bitcoin market. If you're just looking at one exchange, now that we have so many exchanges and the ecosystem is growing, I want to make sure that you're seeing the proper amount of volume. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin trading ranges, see what the update is from yesterday. And also, we'll take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And like I showed you guys how to trade that last time, we'll see how that developed from that previous video. Without further ado, let's get started.
Trade Genius.
Before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to Alyssa. She's the daughter of one of our members. She had a liver transplant surgery, and we wish her a speedy recovery. So hope you get to feeling better real soon there, Alyssa. All right, let's get into the charts real quickly, guys. Before we do, just letting you know we still have our specials running. We extended those and our back to school specials here. These are our training programs from our Crypto Academy courses. Tons of content there, so really good value for the money. And if you want to get into the room with us, and that's basically having access to us all the time, ask questions whenever you want. This is a really good value here for a year. You get the signals for ETFs, binary options, and our crypto signals. So there you have it. Check it out. Okay, so wanted to show you guys this site. It's called bitcoinity.org. And actually, if you go to data.bitcoinity.org, you can get into the trading volume. And they actually have some other things here. You can look at arbitrage and things like that. But it's good to see like the accumulated or aggregate amount of volume. Sometimes if you're just looking at one exchange and you're looking at volume, let's say like we're looking here, sometimes it can be a little hard to see what's the overall increase. But when you look at it as an aggregate, as a total of all the exchanges, then you can see the overall amount. So here on July, you had 451,000 of volume, and now we're at 782. So you're approaching almost a double of volume inside the month. So this is a really good sign. Plus, you notice volume was declining on the way down. That's a good bullish sign too for when you have declining volume on a move. So we were going down, volume's declining. That usually is an indication that the move is coming to an end and going higher. So I think this is a really good thing to keep an eye on. Again, it's data.bitcoinity.org, and you can go ahead and just there's different things you can do. You can do a stacked bar chart or a group bar chart. Stack's cool. You can do comparison or no comparison. Comparison means you're going to compare the exchanges. So you'll see it'll break out all the different exchanges. You could exclude an exchange. So let's say you don't like BitMEX for whatever reason. You could change that out, and it won't show BitMEX. But and you may want to do that because they have such high leverage, and so the contract volumes might be a little skewed. But as you can see, again, though, from the beginning of July till now, we've got a nice jump in volume. So I think that's a pretty good indication of price action. So there you have it. The other thing I wanted to cover today was the sentiment Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We talked about this in the previous video and how to trade it. So the low on that was August 14th. And now we're actually starting to head back down into that territory where we like to look and see if we can pick up another signal off of that. But again, Crypto Fear and Greed on August 14th was the 16th. So if we go over to the chart and we look at that, and August 16th is going to put us right here. So actually, you're looking at a move up here, the high part of the range. So again, we've seen where this signal will go up and may not manifest completely until we get a second one. We saw that back earlier in the year on this downward spike. So we'll keep an eye on that as the index is heading down toward those lower levels that we'd like to see. All right, and then the last thing I want to cover is the trading range, and that's basically what I've outlined in this box here. So we have a high here of a range, or the high part of the range here is going to be at approximately 6630, and the low end of the range is approximately 6,000. Personally, I'm looking for a daily close outside this box. Inside this box, you really want to concentrate on lower time frames and some of that, scalping or really short swing trade type action. And then you drill down to your lower time frames and look at that market structure. But for the kind of the overall bigger picture, looking for a close outside this box. Plus, if we do get a close outside this box, let's say to the upside, we're clearing this level here of 6,700 to 6,800. That's going to be really important. I think that'll start triggering some of that short squeeze action that we see building. The short positions are building at Bitfinex. They're still elevated. They're still above the bulls. Last time we saw that was in April, and we had a really, really nice move from here all the way back up to approximately just shy of 10,000. So there's potential there for fuel. Open short positions is fuel for a short squeeze, meaning that they have to buy back their positions and we get a big push up. So outside of that, looking on the downside, a close below this is going to test this previous low, and that would be pretty bearish because, again, when you start chipping away at levels, the more you chip away, the weaker they get. So it's not a sign of strength. That's actually a sign of weakness. When you keep chipping away at levels, think of it like a dam, and you keep, chipping away at a dam, and sooner or later, the dam's going to break. So, all right, guys, well, that's it on this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. If you're on mobile, hit that bell, and you'll get notified on our new updates and videos. And I will see you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Trade Genius.